Chronicle facilitates a smoother and less error-prone collaborative process when there are multiple relativity reviewers working on normalizing names in your case. Saved searches are a great way to separate work in relativity and a great way to separate work for Chronicle. Chronicle takes out all of the hassle by maintaining a centralized repository of name mappings that can be used to update normalized fields on the fly. In this video, we'll take a look at setting up two different name normalization projects for different members of your team to work on. To get started, I've gone ahead and separated two sets of emails based on who they were sent from. Here I have the emails that are from Chuck and the emails that are from Tim. I'm going to use these in two separate name normalization projects that can be handled by two different members of my team. Now I've navigated to Chronicle's normalization projects where I've already created an emails from Tim project. I'm going to create another project called emails from Chuck. And we will select the save search and our fields to normalize. Our delimiter. And then we'll go ahead and save and run analysis. Now we've successfully split our work product into two distinct projects that you now can hand to different members of your team to come through and do normalization on. So in this example, some work has already been performed in the emails from Tim project by a different member of the team. So when I go in and start doing work in the emails from Chuck project, we can see that some of the work product has already been done. This is because Chronicle maintains a centralized database, and all of the different work within the workspace across these projects contributes to that database. So when different original values appear across different projects, they're maintained and that state is maintained by Chronicle, making it very easy for you to have a worry-free approach to normalizing these names. So if I jump over to guided normalizations, I can see here that I have much less work to do. I can go ahead and normalize Chuck here, can normalize Steve, and normalize my own name. So here I only had to do half the work because some of these were shared across multiple people, but my individual work that was unique to me is handled very easily. Now, if I jump back over to emails from Tim, which was started first, and look at this from this reviewer's perspective, there's only two values left to normalize, and some of the work that emails from Chuck did is already here for us. So I can click on guided normalizations and normalize both of these values to Tim, and now this project's done as well. And to wrap all of this up, I'm just going to go over to apply normalizations and fire off apply normalizations here. Go back to our project list, go to emails from Chuck, and click apply normalizations from here. Now what Chronicle's going to do here is going to manage writing back to these fields for you automatically with no collisions, no disruption, and no conflicts. To learn more about Chronicle, discover additional use cases, or get started, visit milyli.com/Chronicle or check out the product listing in the Relativity App Hub.